Hello everyone, welcome back to the BlackHat Path. So far in this course, we have covered a lot of theory from networking and Python to OWASP top 10, but today it's finally time to get hands-on. In this video, we will perform our first ethical hacking practical using a beginner-friendly TryHackMe lab called Offensive Security Intro. We will learn what offensive security is, discover a hidden page on our website, and understand why simply hiding a page is never a good security practice. Remember, everything shown in this video is performed inside a legal training environment created for educational purposes. So let's get started. Cybersecurity has two major sides. The first is defensive security, where professionals build secure systems, monitor networks, and stop attacks. And the second is offensive security, where security professionals think like attackers to identify weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. The goal isn't to damage system, it's to find vulnerabilities, report them responsibly, and improve security. That's exactly what we'll do today. Our target is a fake banking application called Fake Bank. At first glance, everything looks normal. We can see the account number, account balance, transaction history. Nothing seems unusual, but ethical hackers know something important. Just because you can't see a page doesn't mean it doesn't exist. So the question is, can we discover pages that are not linked to the website? So let's find out. To do that, we will use a tool called Dirb. Dirb is a directory enumeration tool. It works by testing thousands of common pages and folder names against the website. Instead of manually guessing URLs like /admin, /login, /backup, Dirb automatically checks them one by one and reports any pages that exist. Let's open the terminal and run the command. Write dirb space http //fakebank.thm. Here, Dirb is the tool and the link is the website where we're scanning. Once the scan finishes, we can see multiple results. One is /images, which is completely normal, but another page immediately catches our attention with its bank transfer. This seems interesting. This page was not linked anywhere on the home page, yet we discovered it within seconds. Let's open the URL in the browser. Here we can see something we have never supposed to find. It's an admin portal. This page allows money to be deposited into user accounts. This is a serious design mistake. Many beginners think that hiding an important page is enough to secure it. If attackers can discover the page, they can try to access it. Security should always rely on proper authentication and authorization, not secrecy. Now, here we will select our account number, which is 8881. We will enter an amount like 2000, then click deposit money. The lab displays the success message, bank hacked. This doesn't mean we have hacked the real bank. It simply confirms that we have successfully completed the learning exercise. This practical connects directly to something we have learned in OWASP Top 10 series. Do you remember broken access control? This is a simple example of it. The admin functionality was not properly protected. Instead of verifying whether the user was authorized, the application simply relied on the page being hidden. That's never a secure design. So, today you have completed your first ethical hacking practical. You learned what offensive security is, discovered hidden pages using Dirb, and understood why hidden functionalities without proper access control can become a security risk. This is just the beginning. In the upcoming practical videos, we will continue learning real ethical hacking techniques in safe lab environments and gradually move towards more advanced web application testing. If you enjoyed this practical, don't forget to like and subscribe to the BlackHat Path. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay sharp, and this is the BlackHat Path.